pumasok ako dyan, no? Sungit nung tatay. May nakalagay sila doon, load all networks. Pero tinanong mo, pa-load po. Anong load? Dito. Ay, wala akong dito. Gumanon pa lang ako. Hindi, wala nga akong dito. Parang gusto ko na paalisin eh. Tapos, like ko, globe. Sabi niya, globe, magkano? Like 100 po. Ay, walang globe. Kantado. Dito ako nakapagpa-load, oh. Ano ako, piso wifi. Walang mura. Sana masenso siya sa pagiging ganun. Tingin niya na inaano, susungitan ka talaga, tingin pa lang. Talim ng tingin. Nanlilimos ka. Sabi no, sa mga sariling nga nating ugali mga tao, naiinis na tayo. Paano na aatin ni Lord yung ugali ng tao na hindi siya, alam mo kung naman sa lahat ng mga tao na gano'n na halos most of us kahit mabait may mga topak eh. Buti hindi yung isang iglap ba no, na inisilot tapos bigla tayong binura ka na lang ba? Yung parang sa Dragon Ball Z na ano, yung sa Dragon Ball Z na ano na i-ano ka lang, gaganon ka lang, i-flick ka lang yung ano nila, yung juice nila, yung dalawang maliliit.
Yung sa Dragon Ball yung ano,
oo,
mali na lahat.
Oo. Na ano yun eh, may tawag sila dun eh. Hindi ba yun? Ano yun? Yun, hindi ba yun? Yung dalawang bata na maliliit, yun yung pinaka-creator nila.
Parang puti.
Maliliit, dalawang maliliit. Dalawang maliliit. Sila yung creator. Di ba nag-tournament yun sila? Tapos ang matatalo, buburahin yung planeta or yung galaxy. Yung galaxy na ano yun eh, galaxy, labanan ng mga galaxy. So kasama nila Goku kasi yung galaxy natin, Earth, at saka ano eh, saka yung Planet Namek. Basta yung mga unang kalaban nila Goku. Galaxy ang labanan.
Tapos kinuha nila
Sila Frieza, si Frieza kakampi nila. Pero si Frieza lang. Si 17 pala, si Android 17 kakampi nila. Kasi para isang galaxy lang sila eh. Buburahin, pati kasama yung mga Diyos sa mga galaxy na yun. Pati yung mga deity dun sa galaxy na yun. Masasamang mabubura. Pag natalo. Pag natalo lahat ha, pag lahat na wipe out yung team. Kasi ano sila eh, parang 10-10 sila. 10-10 manlalaban. Sa isang ano. Sabi sa'yo, pag naubos ka dun, pag isa na lang natira, tapos nahulog pa dun, nawala pa, natalo pa, isang ganun lang, wala na. Burado sila lahat. Ha?
Parang di naman kinis.
Oh, parang hindi na kayo
Hindi
nag-exist.
parang pinatay.
Hindi sila pinatay, binura.
Binura lang. Which is parang ano naman.
Oh, good naman. Kasi wala ka lang talaga. Tapos ang nanalo sila Goku. Nagtulungan sila 17 at saka actually ang nanalo si 17 eh. Kasi sinacrifice ni Goku yung sarili niya para lang manalo yung galaxy nila. Kasi nga team battle yun eh. So,
Bakit kasi nakapay sa rin?
Sound like Tom found everyone else, but they still can't find me. This is gonna take a while.
So Ginger's not answering and struggling. Just gets the friendship bracelet more stuck. Maybe Hank is having more luck than I am.
wala mo ako
I mean, maybe Ben is having more luck than I am.
I call this new invention the emergency door opener. 5,000. Wait, 9,000. No, that's too much. 5,000 is better. Anyway, my troubles are about to begin.
para makalusot kayo boy.
You don't need to eat that.
Hindi kami si Halay Kuya. Kuya, give me that.
Kasi nga team ano yun, kung mananalo yung isang ano nila, isang kasama nila, hindi mabubura yung galaxy.
Tom, what are you doing?
Ang last na natira isa na lang yung kalaban nila eh. Tapos natira si Goku, si Frieza, at saka 17.
Yeah, don't get me started on that.
Si Frieza at saka si Goku nag-sacrifice para matira. Kasi kailangan matira kayo dun sa platform eh.
Yeah, do you like it?
Kailangan matira kayo dun. Sinong pinaka-last na matira dun sa platform, siya yung mananalo. Siya yung hindi buburahin.
Neither, actually. I'm a hallucination. Your brain created me to deal with the loneliness.
So parang sinacrifice ni Frieza sa ni Goku yung sarili nila para matira si 17 dun sa
I say this,
platform.
my favorite things in the world
Sila nanalo. Tapos alam mo ginawa nila?
are singing and dancing and Tom.
Kasi may wish sila eh na ika-grant. Ibalik lahat sila. Binalik lahat. Lahat na nabura, binalik.
Alright, it's caught on a
Sabi sa'yo, pag natanggal ka doon, pinakalas, kasi 10 yata yun o 6-6. Pag yung pinakalas team member niyo mahulog, mawala doon sa platform. Tiyog, ganun lang. Ay, wala na, talo na ang Galaxy 7. Ganyan. Number yun, Galaxy 7, Galaxy 8.
You can't even answer my calls.
Wala sila lahat.
A friendship bracelet is
Kung hindi tayo ginanon ni Lord, bigla na lang,
friends who need you then.
mga ano niyo, actually, madali, ano lang, simple lang sasabihin na kukulit, o ano. Pero yung, kanina pa lang sinungitan ako, ano problema mo? Nagtatanong lang naman ako ng load. Ba't mo ako susungitan? Tapos in the first place, may nakalagay kayo doon karatula na load. Tuwa nga ako na mayroon sa wakas nakalagay. Load for all network. Nakalagay pa, saan? Globe.
I am an expert, which is why
So sabi ko dito, normal dito kasi hindi naman lahat naglo-load ng dito. Sige, globe na lang po. Magkano?
there's no way you ever be
Wala kasi yan sa mga ano, alam mo, meron pa rin kasi wala kasi mga tindahan ng mga novice, yung mga ano ba, luma, mga tindahan, yung mga matagal ng tindahan na ayaw mag-evolve. Ano pa rin yung ginagamit nila, mga
Yung load na.
load pa rin na ano, oo.
May nag-load sa kanila. Hindi sila nag-Gcash.
Hindi sila nag-Gcash, ayaw nila yung Ayaw nila mag-evolve sa technology. Yun pa rin, may nakikita pa rin ako mga nagpo-post ng ano eh, ganun eh. I-loading.
I don't think that'll be a problem.
Yung loloadan yung number nila, tas yun yung kukonsume mo.
Start the show.
Ano nga yun eh?
Parang network yun eh.
Oo, parang somehow, grupo-grupo yun sila.
Start, guys. So let's
Kasi magkaka-discount ka kasi dyan ng malaki pag bibili ka. Parang meron kang
What is it? The most awesome app
ganyan.
ever created? Really? You mean it
may
makes
patong ka
strawberry
pa.
banana smoothies? No, it's the Sing Like a Pro app. It'll take even the most bland, non-musical voice and make it sound like an angel. Then, say something. Are you saying my voice is bland? That's breaking out.
wala kasi yan sa kanila eh, yung mga bagong network.
Stand over there and read the words on the card.
Tom and Angela's Sing Like a Pro demonstration video. Take one. Probably not gonna work.
Kaya mo, kung may masilip,
Siya na maaga doon. Doon ako mapapabili.
masilip. Pero tingin-tingin ka pa rin, baka may mga
Yan, sige, tingnan ako sa paligid.
dito na side, marami nakita ako dyan sa unahan eh. Kasi hindi ko alam kung may ID sila.
Kaliwa mo?
Oo. Diyan ako nagpa-photocopy. Diyan ako nagpa-photocopy oh. Kasi eskwelahan
Yung time printer.
Di ba? Nagigets yung point ko. Usually yan mga ganyan, may photocopy din yan sila. Photocopy, print.
So you're saying you're liberal.
Yan nga. Dito. Sarado kasi sila eh, kaya malabong merong ID yan eh.
Yung Bariani. Yung Bariani.
This programming must have upgraded again.
I will turn this place inside right, outside down, and inside up if I have to. But I will find you. Oh yeah!
Dala tayo ng pagkain sa mga bata. Ang tanong, nandun ba sila?
Wala sila. Ano yun?
Easy guys, say something the game.
Baka nandun ako.
You know, Tom, you and the
Bili
guys
ka ng
don't have
pagkain ng mga bata. Donut.
Hi
Donut.
everyone, my name is Frank. No it's not. I need to eat a hamburger, and I need you to help me achieve that lofty and delicious goal. Hold on, I pointed the wrong way. I'm Hank Ferry, and be whatever. I'm so hungry. I heard these campaigns go better if I make this personal, so this message is going out to you, Beth, and you, Christoph, and Amy. But not you, Mike. Definitely not you.
Ah, dito. Parang meron dito.
Mention your
Oh.
name. Mike.
Ano naman eh.
Wala, pang ano lang yun. Walang picture dyan. Walang
Diba?
just wants a hamburger. So please give Hank a hamburger.
Ano ko dinadaan?
Live your dreams.
Yeah, I think we got it.
Yeah!
Hank's project is an insult to everyone with a real cash kicker.
Malamang, meron talaga dun.
I'm perfecting the ability to create
Kasi kasi makagaling ko sa si Kuya.
with this amazing new technology. You could be holding something like that. Surprise! It was a hologram. Anyway, it's better than Hank's burger thing. That guy's not gonna raise a dime.
Raised $1 million on Cash Kicker?
Yeah.
I only needed 3. Turns out it was as easy as you said it would be.
Yung
But this flies in the face of statistics and logic and physics. In no sane world does this happen.
What can I say? I guess people just like the idea of buying me a hamburger.
Wow, okay, well, this changes everything. We're gonna have to buy a fancy new car, and then we're gonna drive that fancy new car on a boat. Wait, that might ruin it. Wait, it doesn't matter, we got $1 million.
Yeah, about that. We don't have the money anymore.
Yan kaya tayong pure gold. Still on the way naman eh. Para makabili rin tayo ng mga bata.
You said that you're my hero.
Sa ano ba? Commonwealth?
They're promises.
No.
Since I contributed one penny
Para makabili tayo. At least ano kasi. Makakain din tayo. Or kakain. Doon tayo kakain din naman.
So apparently I owe every single one of my $1 million worth of backers some one-on-one burger time.
Ano na naman ito yung bata sa ano?
Tinder is the only one who cares. Maybe both of those people won't even call in for the reward.
Bit-bit kang ano. Mahirap kumain ng
Remember, there are hungry children in the world, so don't waste any sauce and finish the fun.
pwede eh.
It's totally my fault.
Tapos diretso uwi.
Don't say that. There's a lot going on in that video.
I was really, really good.
Kanina pala dumiretso dito nga, no? Inaayos na nila tong ano na to. Ito. Do not block intersection. Ito yata yung sign eh. Ito yung naisip ko dati. Dati kasi, ano, stop on red. Talaga dyan eh. Hindi, do not block intersection. Inayos nila yan sa tingin ko.
Kasi naman, hindi naman gumagamit.
Kasi dati pag ganun, wala, bakante. Pwede mong pwede ng mga motor nga gumaganon eh kahit stop on red eh.
Dumadaan sa gilid.
Kasi bakante talaga eh. Pero ano lang, ilang segundo lang din. Kasi nga napupuno naman to dito eh. Ilan lang to? Ilang kotse lang yung kasya dito. Ito dito, diretso. Ito lang yung napupuno. Ito yung mga pakaliwa.
Oh, that is such a relief. You're the doctor.
I trusted you. I gave you so much of my attention and time, and this is how you repay me? Traitor! Villain! Unfair! The cash kicker campaign for my personal hologram app has completely stopped now. I only need $10.
May ano, binili akong ano kayo na eh.
Check back his donation!
Skyflex at saka Rebisco.
I even made a video.
Kasi wala akong barya, ano.
You know what? I don't even want your money. You people don't deserve my map. All of you should be ashamed of yourself. Shame. It ends with me just screaming into a pillow.
I guess it's always good to blow off some steam.
I'm just frustrated that Hank is so successful with his dumb hamburger campaign. You know, while I'm scrambling to try to get my world-changing hologram app made, he's living the high life.
Hamburgers everywhere. Did anyone call for me? Don't answer that. No one's in the other room with a hamburger for me to eat, right? No one's hiding in the couch just
Buti ba
diving
itong
the ketchup
SNR
bag
parang
and waiting
pwede
to eat
din
the
yung
hamburger with me.
Mercury.
Are they? You can run, but you can't hide, ketchup man. I will find you.
What's going on?
Parang ano talaga sila, ano.
Poisoning. That's a
US na US yung dating.
burger.
Hindi nila yan masusustain kahit mga mayayaman naghahanap ng mura eh. Majority kasi kaya sa mga mayayaman kurito.
Kaya nga yumaman, di ba? Kumbaga, tipid-tip sa mga yun.
Konti lang kaya yung kilala kong mayaman na
Kasi nag-lavish yan sa ibang gamit eh. Pero yung mga necessity,
grocery. Kahanap ng mga discounts.
I'm sorry. If I could somehow use my power over burgers to help you, I would.
It gives me an idea.
Thank you for backing my burger campaign, Joe. Now I'm going to eat this just for you, Joe. Okay, set up the next one. Thanks for backing my burger campaign.
Parang hindi mura yung mga paninda dito. Kasi unti-unti lang nakikita kong bumibili oh. Kasi kung mura yan, sabi sa'yo, puputaktingin yan. Sayang yun, no? Dapat baba nila kahit mga 600 ng isa.
Alam mo yung sa Marikina? Pag yung ano yung sa Converse, yung wala. Grabe, pila sa labas. Pumunta kami doon, madaling araw. Pagdete, sumama ako sa Bella.
Let's not jump to
Sir, nasar ako eh, kasi kakabili ko ng sapato.
This could just be one big coincidence.
You're absolutely right, Tom.
Kulang-kulang 40.
I'm sure this isn't what it
Yung
looks like.
Converse ko dati na
Are we kidding, Ben? Angela's Banana Berry Bandit, we all know it.
So where are you guys
Ang
gonna
tingin ko doon, magbihira ka lahat yung
No one's
peso.
running from anything. Angela is our friend. You cannot just hand her over to the police. No. This isn't far back enough, Ben. I thought about the time reminder way before this
Diga na.
misunderstanding.
I know. But look, we can't make it that far back in one rewind. Now stay low so we don't see us while this thing goes
Down
down.
there, kuya. If you're going to make it there,
Look, even if she is guilty, we have to help her.
How are we supposed to do that?
This is really awkward, so I just get out here. We're here.
Don't disturb anything. We don't know what effect it'll have on our future.
It'll only take a second.
Pabili ako ng sapatos. Isa lang binili ko, walang budget. Dalawa, tatlo binili.
Dami nga magaganda sapatos sa shopping yun. Sa shop.
Oo, alam mo ba, pinagsulit na nga yung mga nakikita ko ng sapatos sa TikTok. Mura lang.
Panahon yun, di naman kasi kailangan
Wala nang din na kaya. Kahit pag branded ka pa, hindi naman kung nilalakad mo lang din kaya mga pangit din. Wala naman sa mura, makagamit ka pa. Pero hindi kasi lahat ng mura maganda eh. Timingin lang din. Dahil yung nabilahan ko, maganda naman.
It says there's something this way.
Yung may ganun ang corona ko eh. Pag binili ko na sapatos na yun, 600, ano, 500 lang ko na 600. Magkano ko lang nakuha yun? 230 lang. Parang din branded na nila, yung nilagyan nila ng number.
Remember that time you told Hank and Ginger a ghost story and said they'd be too scared to touch a computer while we were gone? Yeah, that's happening right now.
Yeah, sure, I remember. But
Yes,
scared them
10,000
so
and
much
they
they ended up destroying my computer. My computer? It's not ruined yet. I can save it.
No, don't do it.
It's...
No ghost is gonna get us far enough. Hey, man, we're sorry we touched Ben's computer, but we're not really pirates, okay? You get it, right?
This is different. We can save an innocent computer.
Something weird is happening, man. I think we're messing with the past too much.
Me to haunt you.
Ben, why would you do that?
Those two deserve to be really scared for what they did to my computer.
Ben, from now on, don't do anything that could change your timeline. Got it?
Yes, definitely. From now on. Yeah, just business. Oh, yeah, but this wasn't the fun part. Let's keep it going.
Ika naman.
Olive oil!
40.
I've had it for this stupid form.
Bumaba ang konti.
Ano ba? Mas kumakakunti.
Basta nung
Kaya kahapon.
last na ano ko,
Jealousy!
50 plus eh.
Because you've been
Iwan.
Now, why
Oil dito. Para magusto. Yun yung may sigalot.
Okay, now we're even.
Ito yung panghuli.
You're in.
Baho ng baho na.
Baho niyan.
Am I right? If I wasn't me, I'd be my biggest fan.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Hold on, one more joke.
Dahil yan siguro sa ano niya, pagsuot-suot. Ewan ko. Bakit ganyan yan?
Hindi, kasi madumi yung kinalas eh. Kaya sinusuot niya yung lagi.
Ang bantad no, amoy ng malaki.
Try the double speed rewind.
Sa akin kaya mabaho din yung pako eh. Kasi pero nagpapalit-palit ka na medyas. Hindi mo umano kasi yun. Hindi naman mabaho yun. Pag araw-araw ka nang papalit ng medyas. Mabaho lang yun pag madumi.
Baka nahawaan yan sa akin kasi
Nasuot niya yun mo.
okay, yung parang sa floor.
Trust me, everything was better.
Yung sa floor kasi, kaya lang naman ganang floor na inaapakan.
Sapatos yan pag madumi yung sapatos. Kasi naiiwan yan kasi nag-soap ano tatambay yung mga
Well, time froze because the machine at the tape was triggered to flux quantum laws, and now there's most likely a rip in the space-time continuum, obviously.
Quick question. What happens if we can't fix the tape?
Good question. We're stuck here forever.
What? No, we can't be. I mean, if we're stuck in time forever, I'll never spend time with Angela again.
Forgive me for not worrying about your little heartbreak. I'm too busy being stuck in the worst moment of my life.
Right. So we both have a great incentive to think of a way out of this. What did we do when we were kids and this happened to our tapes? Huh?
diesel pala yung 14 and 17.
Meron sale pala din yun eh. Kaparas lang sila ng price ano? 40, 50, 40.
Oh, the smell. Oh no.
Ben, this is it. When the earthquake vase falls off the shelf and hits me on the head, that's when I think of the idea for the time rewinder.
Well, we're here to make sure that doesn't happen.
No, the vase. It's about to fall. Ben, hit double rewind.
Pareho sila.
We'll delete the tape for sure.
It'll also stop time.
No, Tom, it's too dangerous. What if we can't fix it? There it is.
Just do it.
Dun sa pinagdagasan natin sa wheel oil, sa ano, ang mahalhan.
Mahal yun dun, grabe. Parang 6 pesos yung ano niya.
Parang wala siya yung pinuntahan mo. Kasi siya na nag-isa dun eh. Layo
Okay.
wala na yun.
Fuel 7.
Hindi, yung doon, nasa part, pero yung isa sa may ano, sunod-sunod din yun, di ba?
I don't think this is how it should be.
Ay, papuntang Patuloy. Pero siya sa part na yun, may paano papunta na ano, susunod na gasolinahan, kasi kung fuel na, layo na.
I hope they have one of those flight simulators that makes you super dizzy.
I hope they have a photo booth where you get to put on those old-time Wild West costumes.
Kasi yung gasolinahan na malapit dyan, pero petrol yun, di ba? Yung nasa may clinic.
Malapit pa din yun, yung Rotor. Malapit pa din yun.
Oo nga, pero hindi naman nagtututrol yung mga tricycle.
Hindi, pag no choice.
Oo.